In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat and your mic not working here in GTA 5 Online. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is either press start on your controller or escape on your keyboard and go ahead and navigate all the way over to your settings. Once you are on your settings page, what you're going to want to do is actually just scroll down until you get to the voice chat tab specifically. Once you get to this voice chat tab, go ahead and select it and you're going to see voice chat enabled option. First things first, just make sure that you do go ahead and have this turned on. From here, you're going to see a bunch of different options. For the output device, just go ahead and make sure that is your correct headphones, and then the rest of these don't really matter as much. You can adjust them accordingly. For talking though, once again, make sure you go ahead and turn this on, and for your input device, make sure this is also set to your correct input device. If everything is set correctly and working correctly, you should see the volume bar moving down below underneath. If you don't see anything, check the headset itself and make sure the mic is not muted on the headset. But from here, what you're going to want to do is actually back out of this, and once you do, go ahead and back out of this section. Go ahead and actually open up your interaction menu, and once you do have your interaction menu open up, go ahead and scroll down, and what you're going to want to do is just look specifically for the preferences tab just right here, select it, and then scroll down to voice chat as well, and just make sure it is set to everyone. You can also customize this to friends, crew or friends. Just whatever you do, make sure it's not set to no one, otherwise it will not work. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.